Yang pertama kami sengaja siapkan untuk Mr. Lee. Apakah di lembaga Cenggu Melaka menyimpan data tentang hubungan nasab antara Walisongo dan Balawi? Ini satu. Yang nomor dua untuk semuanya, kita orang Indonesia yang rata-rata insya Allah keturunan Walisongo sedang mencari jati dirinya, jati diri leluhurnya. Dan di manuskrip kami atau di tulisan-tulisan kami itu ada nanti versi ke Yaman, juga ada versi ke Cina, ada juga versi Aceh yang barusan ini rame. Menurut para pemateri, di antara tiga versi ini yang paling kuat versi yang mana? Yang paling kuat dilihat dari segi bukti manuskrip dan semacamnya dan lain-lainnya. Yang nomor tiga, kami ketika baca manuskrip di Indonesia itu ada kata-kata campak, ada juga kata-kata asmara. Sedangkan campak ini bisa campak Thailand, ada di Aceh, di Sumatera juga ada cempa. Dan yang dimana di Aceh itu dekat juga dengan asmara, juga ada asmara. Seperti itu. Sedang di campak juga seperti pernah kami lihat, pernah kami baca itu ada asmara juga. Yang mungkin di Indonesia nanti di akhir-akhir menjadi asmuro. Mungkin manuskrip awal asmara bahasanya. Dari versi apakah cempa Aceh atau cempa Thailand, Thailand itu Vietnam, ini menurut para pemateri mana yang lebih kuat? Terima kasih.
Okay, thank you very much. One question from Mr. Lee, and the other three questions could be addressed by the other speakers. The first question, which is addressed to Mr. Lee, a very important and significant question that we need to understand the answer from you. Right? So, does Malacca's museum document any formal letters or manuscripts or documentations about the relationship between Walisongo and Balawi? Thank you. That's the question.
In our research from our museum, when Zhenghe come visit Malacca and visit Java, from that time, before that time, already many Java people already moved to Malacca. It is also written by Portugal people in Portugal historical resource after Zhenghe. So it means when Zhenghe visit Malacca and visit Java, firstly when Zhenghe visit Java in the city in the Tuban, just mentioned more than 1,000 Chinese Muslim organized a village living in Java Island. Secondly, when Zhenghe visited Malacca, at that time and after that, until the year 1600, that history book, Tom Pierce, written by Tom Pierce, and also the history resource written by the Gaspar Halia, and also the history resource by the Auliya, all a Portugal people after Zhenghe. They write many Java people moved to Malacca. Many businessmen in Malacca is from Java. So it means Malacca, Java, Zhenghe, and Yunnan City already connected from the Sanskrit woman. So yeah, it means Islam in China, in Yunnan province, connected to the Iran, Pakistan, and Uzbekistan from Middle Asia. Spread into China, Sanskrit have ever been the king of Xi'an city. Then he moved to Vietnam. He built Kunming City. After 6 generations, Zheng He is his grandson. Zheng He visited Malacca, visited Java. It means there's Islamic spread from the Yunnan, from China side. In my opinion, in our research, the Islam of Nusantara have 2 ways to spread here. One way from north, one way from Aceh. It means 2 ways. So now if you visit Kuala Lumpur, there are very big museum named Islamic Art Museum Malaysia. You can look at the map of the Islamic spread map. One way from north, one way from Aceh, from India. So it means, I think in our research, Islamic Nusantara include 2 ways. One way from China, one way from Aceh, 2 ways. Also, when I live in Malacca, I researched the tomb, the makam in Malacca, ancient makam, Walisongo. One makam named Han Kaptuli, one named Han Jabat. All is a hero of Malacca Kingdom. This two makam, the shape is different with the makam of Malaysia now. It's different with the makam of tomb of Indonesia now. As same as Wakas. As same as the ancient tomb in Turkish was found now. You can compare the makam. It means maybe Han Kasturi, Han Java is Chinese. Because we can find this kind of tomb in Guangzhou, in Quanzhou, in Hangzhou, also in Turkish. So maybe in the future, I hope more friends can research this. We can compare the historical results. Okay.
So in the museum, there is no any document or evidence about the relationship between Walisongo and Alawi so far, based on research.
There are historical resources. 2 copies was found in the year 1928. One was found in Cirebon, another was found in Samalam, was found by the Dutch people, Dutch government. We named it Chronis. We can see it history of Cirebon, Chinese Cirebon in Cirebon, history of Chinese in Samalam. At the beginning of this historical resource, it is said, when Zheng He visited Nusantara, many Yunnan Muslims followed Zheng He. Yet we cannot find this historical resource because it was kept by Dutch government. Last year, I also arranged our team member to visit Dutch government to look for this document. If we can find in the future, maybe we can find more historical resource about Walisongo, the relationship between Walisongo and Zheng He and China.
Oke, jadi pertanyaan bahwa apakah ada dokumen atau bukti hubungan terkait Walisongo dan Barawi, sementara berdasarkan penelitian yang sudah dilakukan tidak ditemukan hubungan tersebut. Ini fakta yang berjalan sampai hari ini. Bahwa ada klan-klan Ba'lawi muncul belakangan itu baru ketika era penjajahan Belanda saja. Tetapi jauh sebelum itu ternyata fakta yang disampaikan pengadili pertama adalah Islam muncul lahir di Indonesia melalui 2 jalur. Pertama Aceh dan yang kedua Cina. Inilah yang menjadi fakta berdasarkan hasil penelitian terkini yang bisa kita yakini.